Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you, girls? Today, inshallah, we will take Unit 10, Lesson 3 and 4, my beautiful students. And we will take first the dictation, then the classroom rules. What are the classroom rules? Rule number 1, follow directions quickly. 2, raise your hand for permission to speak. 3, raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. Rule number 4, make smart choices. And number 5, keep your dear teacher happy. Then, girls, we will play together ABC game. For example, girls, if I ask you, what is this letter? This is letter F, and I can say some words using letter F like frog and fan, okay? Another letter, for example, if I say, what is this letter? This is letter C, and two words that start with this letter like cat and car, okay? Now, my beautiful students, as I told you, today we will take Unit 10, Lesson 3 and 4, page 48 and 49 in our book, Better English Now, okay? First of all, what can you see in this picture? I can see a flag of Saudi Arabia. So, this is a flag of Saudi Arabia. Spell the word Saudi Arabia. Saudiarabia, Saudi Arabia. After that, girls, I will ask you to come on the board and write this word on the blackboard, okay? Then, girls, what do we call this flag? This is a flag for United States of America. So, United States of America, spell the word United States of America, UNITED, States, STATES, of America, AMERICA. So, the first word, Saudi Arabia, and the second word, United States of America. If I ask you girls, where are you from? You have to say, I am from Saudi Arabia. What's your nationality? I am Saudi, okay? Then I will ask you to write on the board, United States of America. Then girls, what is this flag? This is the flag of France. France, F-R-A-N-C-E. France. France, F-R-A-N-C-E. Then girls, what is this flag? This is the flag of India. I-N-D-I-A. I-N-D-I-A. India. Then you will write the word France here. Then girls, what is this flag? This is the flag of Germany. Germany, G-E-R-M-A-N-Y. Germany. Germany. Germany, okay? Then girls, what can you see here? I can see dollars. So, what do we call this word? We call it currency. What do I mean by currency? I mean by currency like dollar, reals, euro, okay? We call it in Arabic عملات, okay? عملات, okay? Now, girls, then we will play yes, no, stand up together. Then fill in the blanks using later, currency, shopping, credit, watching, and bargaining. Number 1, buying or looking for something to buy is called shopping, number 1. Number 2, bargaining means discussing the price with the seller. Number 3, the rupee is the currency of India and Pakistan. 4, if you use a credit card, you can buy now and pay later. 5, watching football games is fun, okay? Then girls, match the sentences. Number 1, the currency of England is the pound. The currency of USA is the dollar. The currency of Saudi Arabia is the rial. The currency of France is the euro. The currency of Jordan is the dinar. The currency of Germany is the euro, okay? Then girls, I will start reading this passage. Just focus with me. Visiting the Roman city of Jerash is a dream for millions of people. The city is not far from Amman, the capital of Jordan. So what's the capital of Jordan? The capital of Jordan is Amman. It is about 45 minutes by car. It has a beautiful rest house with refreshments and full meals. Visiting the Roman city of Jerash is a dream for millions of people. The city is not far from Amman, the capital of Jordan. It is about 45 minutes by car. It has a beautiful rest house with refreshments and full meals. Visitors usually enjoy seeing the ancient Roman theater. They also like to walk in the Forum, the old Roman center for social activity. The Forum has 250 dome columns. A tourist once said, a visit to Jerash is never complete without a memorable stroll along the Street of Columns. Again, visitors usually enjoy seeing the ancient Roman theater. They also like to walk in the Forum, the old Roman center for social activity. The Forum has 250 domed columns. A tourist once said, "A visit to Jerash is never complete without a memorable stroll along the street of Column." Okay, columns. Now answer the following questions. Number one, how far is Jerash from Amman? It is about 45 minutes by car. Number two, what's the Forum? The Forum is the old Roman center for social activities. Okay, so this is the end of my lesson today, guys. Thank you for listening and watching, and goodbye.